Hello, my name is Pavel Shutin and I work at AI Enablement Group at GitLab. Today I will show you our progress on GitLab Duo Chat integration with IDEs. So here we have a browser window opened and with a web IDE. And on the left sidebar of a web IDE you have a GitLab Duo icon which opens the form for GitLab Duo Chat. And this is the first feature I want to mention, is that we brought the GitLab Duo Chat to web IDE so you can interact with it directly while working with the code. And of course, you can still work with GitLab Duo Chat inside the VSCode. So everything I showed today is applied to VSCode too. In the chat window, you can ask basic questions like list frameworks, or you can ask code-related questions. For example, explain selected code. And you can trigger it with a command palette, you can trigger it from context menu, or you can trigger it with a hotkey. So let's use a hotkey here now. And yes, the command is triggered. Another improvement that I want to mention, and you already noticed it, I believe, is that UI is significantly improved. Look and feel, we have a nice, clean and tidy UI. And of course, it supports theming, color themes. So the chat window adapts to whatever color theme you use. Yes, Markdown is supported in prompts and in responses. So you have lists, you have code blocks, you have enumerated lists, whatever Markdown offers to us, we support it. Another improvement is performance. The response time is significantly decreased, so the responses are way faster, and the quality of content is improved too. Last feature I want to mention for today is improved error handling. So in case the chat encounters an error, network connection, no access, any other problem, the chat will respond with a verbose message. For example, we can trigger artificially no access problem, and the chat will respond to us that AI features are not enabled for us, so we cannot use the chat at that moment. I want to mention that the feature is experimental, and we will deliver it as soon as possible, and we'll continue to improve it. And that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.